Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna show you something. Some of you would identify it straight away. Some of you would laugh on it, but this reality. Somebody was offered this job, Richardson Manufacturing Company, okay, and the location is in Canada, and also like they provided head office location that's in Illinois, USA. Now, do you really think this is a genuine job offer? It's not. If you see email something center at yahoo.com, this is not their email, right? If you open the website of Richardson Manufacturing Company, they are in the business of machine manufacturing. They are manufacturing machines. They are not like a fruit picking business. You can see it over here like title fruit picker, duties pick, clean and package fruits. Do you see lot of grammatical errors? I do with our company in accordance with the terms below. Supervisor, head of department. The term started. Indated. Do you really see a job offer like this? Employment. Expected work days Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. $4,500 salary and other bonuses. Literally, guys, it's too much of funny to get a job offer like this. But I'm sharing so that you guys can protect yourself. So this is a fake job offer. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel.